Do you need help choosing the right clamp solution for your metal roof? Let us walk you through some of the best solutions S-5 has to offer for a variety of different roof profiles. A one-size-fits-all clamp compromises on its performance, and that's one reason why S-5 believes in carefully designing clamps to fit a diverse variety of application uses. With over 130 patents issued, we're the industry's leading provider of metal roof attachments. Our free limited lifetime workmanship and material warranty is offered on all products. It states that our roof clamps are true to our advertised claims and free from defects in material and workmanship on the date of the first sale for the life of the roof. Whether you're looking to mount snow, solar, or utility products to your metal roof, S-5 has a clamp that's perfect for your unique metal roof profile. Whether you're interested in learning more or ready to buy, visit s-5.com or contact our technical support team and we'll guide you to the right solution for your specific needs.